Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe Trail Edition, stock reference number 5746. The shape runs from the 9th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2012. It has a D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic all drive transmission. D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts and brackets and loom. Tailgate has one large dent. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has no damage. Right guard has no damage. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, twin sunglass type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.